Hello everyone. I am going to show you how to change your name through Facebook account. So for this, you need to firstly download your Facebook account in your device. I have already pre-downloaded the application in mine, as you can see. And now what you have to do is just simply click on the Facebook icon, and by clicking it, you will be taken to a home page. So here at the top right, you can see your three-line segment. So just simply click on it, which will take you to menu, and after scrolling down a little you can see there is setting and privacy. So just click on setting and privacy, and now here again click on settings. You will be taken to your account informations, where you need to click on personal and account information, and here you will be shown your personal information like your name, contact info, identity confirmation. So what you have to do is click on name, and now I want to change my first name, so put a name here, and I'll keep a surname as well. And now what you can do is you can simply click on the review change, and in this way your name has been changed. You'll be given some options of what name you want for your profile, and just simply click on any one that you like from the two. And now what you need to do is you need to provide Facebook with your password in order to verify if it's you or not. So just simply click on the box here and provide it the password, and click on save changes, and in this way your name is changed. And I hope this video helped you by how simply you can change your Facebook name. Thank you.